Hey guys and gals, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my October 2020 Look Incredible subscription box. This one is my fave subscription box by a clear mile. We get great products in this box every month. I've not yet been disappointed, she says. Oh, here's to praying that I don't next month now I've said that. But yeah, I have never been disappointed by these boxes. I love them. So if you want to see what I got inside my October 2020 box, please go ahead and just keep on watching. Say I am so glad I got this month. This just tells me how much the items are that are inside the box. I didn't get one in my September one and I was like, oh boy, time to take to good old trusty Google, but it's just so much handier to have this. The box is the same packaging as always. It hasn't changed. I don't know if they maybe change it yearly or if we just always stick the same with Look Incredible. I don't know, I'm still pretty new to it, but I will show you guys exactly what was inside this box. So the first product that we get inside the box, it's actually by Bare Minerals. This is the Invisible Light palette, and this is a combination of two powders. Now looking at it, I think you would kind of expect it to be highlighters, but they're not. They're just regular old setting powders. I used this one today on my skin and I gotta say I am really happy with how it looked. It didn't like cling to any dry areas or anything. It just made my skin really nice and flawless. So what we have is we actually have a matte side and we have a glow side. So I'll swatch the glow side. It's not a highlighter, please bear that in mind. It is a finishing powder, a setting powder with a sheen to it. And then we have the matte side, which just looks like this. Yeah, they're both pretty white, but when you put them on the skin, it's just transparent, translucent, whatever the word is. So yeah, so far, so good. I will test these out more. What I like about these as well, I find that the only powder I've ever really loved is my Rimmel Stay Matte. And the normal, what you call them? Like translucent powders, they don't tend to be in powder form. They tend to be loose powders, and loose powders just don't work on my skin. They really just stick to all of my dry areas and it is a nightmare. So I'm really happy to have a good translucent powder. And bear in mind, Look Incredible boxes, they're £35 and this alone retails for £29.99. So that is amazing and so far so good. The next product that we get inside here is actually by KVD Beauty, which is Kat Von D's old brand, but I believe that she is no longer affiliated with it. They could have changed the name of it a little bit more, but that's a whole different topic. So this is what we got. It is the mascara from that brand. It's called Go Big or Go Home Volumizing Mascara. It's really big and chunky. Kat Von D makeup, it's always kind of gothic, so this packaging, it suits the theme. So if I take this out, let's see what the wand's like. So that is how the wand appears here. It looks like a type of wand I would like, to be honest. I do like these quite thick ones where there's lots of bristles in them. I don't tend to go towards sparser towards sparser ones, but no, this looks like it's going to be a good one. I don't have much to say about it because I've not tried it yet, but I definitely will. I've been trying a lot of new mascaras recently. I literally only used the one mascara forever. It was the Max Factor 2000 calorie. I ventured out my comfort zone. I've been playing with new ones. Gotta say, Tarts are just, they're phenomenal. They absolutely take the cake for mascaras. So I'm excited to give this one a go. And this one retails for £17. So yeah, a bit on the pricier end of the spectrum for a mascara. For me personally, I'm someone who always went for drugstore mascaras, but now I've tried the Tarte ones, I'm like, oh boy, they're like £20 and I'm gonna have to pay that every time because I love it. But I got mine in bundles, so I've not had to pay the price just yet. But yeah, £17. It's kind of on the high end of the spectrum, I suppose, but but if you're willing to pay the price point, then you go for gold. This is in Trooper Black, so they must do other shades as well. I do tend to go for a black mascara. I used to use a brown one, but no, I'm team black mascara. But I will give this a go. I will start trying this out and I will let you guys know my opinion on it. The next product that we have is actually skincare. This is by Arbonne. I don't know how you pronounce this. This is the Brightening Cleansing Foam. This is the packaging that it comes in. I'm not actually familiar with this brand. Now, I know that my mum took this out and tried it, and I probably should have asked her what she thought of it, but it just didn't cross my mind. I've not actually tried it yet because I wanted to film this video first. But yeah, it's a brightening cleansing foam. So this is something I would definitely use if I was in the bath when I'm taking off my makeup. Directions: use in the morning and evening, moisten skin and apply to face and neck gently, massaging in circular motions, rinse with warm water and follow with toner. So yeah, this is something I would probably say, like right now I've got my makeup on. This is where I would use my face wipe to get the heavy off, and then I would jump into the bath and I would use a product like this. Let me just put a bit on my finger. I'm curious if it has a scent because I've got sensitive skin and my skin don't like scents. Oh, I thought it said it was a foam. Nothing foamy about that. There's rose in this. There's nothing foamy about it. Are they KK? There's got to be rose in that. I feel like I can smell it. Does it say? There's rose in it. Rose flower oil. Don't know how my skin's gonna feel about this. I will try it, but if my skin breaks out, then it's a big no from me because my skin does not like scent. However, this is actually worth £30. £30 blooming pounds for 90ml. So it must be really good for 30 quid because I'm a Superdrug girl. I'm like, get me to Superdrug and give me all of the simple products. Like, I am easy peasy lemon squeezy. So for me, £30 is a little bit expensive for a cleanser, but hey ho, some people are bougie than me out there. Yeah, I'll try it. I'm scared, but I'll try it. And then I'll let you know if, you know, my skin loses the will to live. My skin at the moment, by the way, it's horrific. Like, this whole portion of my skin is just not okay. It's wearing these face masks all the time. I'm just majorly breaking out and I cannot deal. I can't deal. I don't know what's like in other parts of the world, but in the UK it's now like fully compulsory that you must wear a face mask if you are on public transport, if you're going in and out of any shops at all. And for me personally, in my work building, any time that I quite literally get up from my desk, I have to be wearing a face mask. So it's just face mask overload all the time, and my skin just, it can't take it. My skin hates it. And now the final product that we received in the box is the one I was most excited for. It weren't the most expensive. This was £18, but this one I was like, oh, gimme. We got a Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick. Like, I love Huda, guys. Huda is one of my favourite brands of all time ever. This packaging is just goals. The shade that we have is called Muse. Let's have a look. Do you know what? That looks like a nice colour, actually. Ooh. She cool tone, but she cute. That is that shade right there. Like, that is gorgeous. It's like a cool tone mauvey pink shade, but that is actually really bloody stunning. And especially for this time of year, this is like a colour I would wear this time of year with like a gorgeous knit in the shade. So pretty. Love that. Gorge. So the total value of everything in the box this month was £94.99. So I saved £50. Like, I mean, come on. This box is incredible. Get it? Oh, I didn't even think, look, incredible. The box is bloody incredible. Like, honestly, such good value for money. You don't get samples either. Like, oh, it drains me with other beauty boxes when we get sample size products. Like, hon, if I wanted to sample, I'd go to the counter in Debenhams or John Lewis. I don't need a beauty box to do that for me. So yeah, so annoying when you get samples. So that's one thing that's really good about this box, is that you always get full size products and you always really do get your money's worth out of the box. So I am super happy with my box this month, as always. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can hit the one down below, the one in the shape of a heart, or you can wait until the end of the video and hit the one in the shape of my big face. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.